Coconut oil, spices, and aromatics make a wonderful base for crabs. It's then cooked in this base together with coconut milk. It's finished off with a secret ingredient, more spices, and garnished with coriander before serving with perfect string hoppers. Look out for that video as well. Start with a half cup of coconut oil. I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced shallots, and 3 green chillies that I've cut in half. Add 3 to 4 pieces of fresh pandan leaves, also known as rampe. If you can't find this, leave it out, but if you can find it, it gives the gravy a wonderful aroma. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of curry leaves, saute this, and then add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons each of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Saute this to cook off the raw ginger and garlic taste. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of Sri Lankan curry powder. Saute this and add in 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I'm going to add my beautiful Ceylon blue swimming crabs. This is about 700 grams. Add 200 ml of coconut milk and allow the coconut milk to come to the boil. Now I'm going to be adding a secret ingredient. This is really used in Thai food, but fish sauce in this gravy will enhance the flavor. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons in. Next, add 200 ml of coconut milk. To finish off, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of Sri Lankan curry powder. I should have used a bigger pot to keep the crabs submerged. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Garnish with coriander and serve with string hoppers or rice, and enjoy.